Welcome to a BRINKS in the package. Yeah, a colleague of mine was in the United States of America for vacation and he was so kind to buy me this BRINKS padlock. Yeah, Matthias, thank you very much for it. What I'm going to try now is a out of the package pick. Before we closely look at some marketing statements, this one is especially interesting. It says 5-pin solid brass cylinder with anti-pick pins that resists picking attacks. And here is a warning. Where is it? Here. This product contains one or more chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. Wash hands after handling. Okay, didn't know that BRINKS padlocks are so dangerous, but I will do so. I will wash my hands after picking. But now let's open it up. Oh. Maybe they lubricated the lock with poison. Okay, here we go. Here is the lock. Born steel shackle. Yeah, that's the keyway. Alright, let's give it a go. Tension it here from the open side of the keyway. And use a Sparrow's hybrid pick. So, let's see. Oops. Okay, there was one. So for me it's very difficult to do an out of package pick because I need to get used to the feeling of the pins and how much tension I need to apply, and this usually takes some time. This counter rotation. One is still good. I think this was counter rotation. Okay, 3 and the core turned a little bit more, so probably 1 is a standard, 2 is a spool. Didn't get the spool. Maybe this time. Core turned into the false set again. These spools seem to bind pretty hard. Not a bad pick. So I have to turn the plug manually back. Not sure about the feedback. One, 2 is good, 3 is good, maybe 4. Or I've overset something, so let's see. I think I will try tensioning the lock from the open side, from the pin side. And I use a 15 thousandths pick from Peterson. Okay. There was one. Or maybe these are serrated pins. Yeah, I feel like serrated. This is dragging a bit. This doesn't feel good, so I change back to my previous setup. Maybe I use this pick this time, has a bit of better reach. Okay, one seems to be good. No idea. Core is relatively floppy. Apply a bit more tension. Okay, one is good. Okay, it touched 2 or 3 and the core turned into the false set. Now I need a shallower pick. Okay, counter rotation from 4 and it's open. All right. Okay, that was the BRINKS out of the package. As I said, I need to get the right feeling for the pins. And here we go, it's open. Yeah, Matthias, thank you very much for buying this lock for me. Now let's see if it works with a key. Of course it works. That's a nice lock. Very, very nice. Let's have a look at the bitting. Not too bad. Long key pin in the middle and a short key pin in the back. Yeah, very, very nice. Not really pick resistance. Maybe it's a little bit resistant, but you can definitely pick into this lock. Okay, so now I better wash my hands. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and bye-bye.